talagang there are promises that needs to be kept, you know.
And there are day twos after drinking. Pero yes, we're here.
Before anything else, I think parang message ko lang to, no? Parang huwag natin seryosohin yung mga salita ng mga lasing. Hindi, parang kasi sabi ko lang talaga is that, ano naman kung yung isang tao,
pero sis,
wallpaper ko, hindi bias, my God.
Nilike ni Ma'am She Gracious.
Ma'am She Gracious nila talaga siguro puyat din. Like din lang talaga. So parang, let's not believe fake.
Pero anyway, yun nga, dahil ang re-reacta natin ngayon ay tila SB19 subunit. Of course, ito ang Matt Summer TV prettiest subunit.
Yes, and
we don't need the other one.
Yeah.
Stay in Pasig. You have a good mayor, di ba? Pero yun nga.
And you go to UK, di ba?
Oo, you go to UK. Stay there, please.
Just send us chocolates.
True. Mamaya maloko ka bumalik na, Bessie! Bessie, pero ngalay ang way to do it. Anyway, magkaya kami ngayon dun sa na-miss out namin na Liham by Pabstel. Ito yung pagtupad lamang ng mga pangako.
Namunti ka ng mapako. Because
True.
we have time before our dinner.
Yes. Napaka-special din ang imi-meet namin tonight from Maisan, all the way from US of A.
Maisan ba siya?
Maisan siya. All the way from US of A na sinisinghot na ang polusyon sa Maynila ngayon.
Yes, diba? And the holiday rush.
True.
Suffer. Charot. So this is again my favorite shopping platform, Shopee Super Awards 2023.
Sis, parang yung package mo dito Lazada.
And then, talagang minsan talaga kung saan mas mura, doon ka.
True. At kung saan, ako sa delivery kasi talaga Lazada ang mabilis.
Mabilis, yes. Saka yung mga rin. Ay, ayan. Diba?
I'm so loving the backdrop naman.
Correct.
Bakit mga telenovela, te?
Correct. Parang...
Yung parang ibaon mo. Sa set. Yung very kontrabida-ish na style, di ba? Parang My Mother's Lawyer.
Correct. Parang mga ganon. Parang mga fantasiya for sure ng mga you.
Dahil, imagine this, napakatapang ng both looks. Si Stell nga, even, she still looks dashing na pinapakita
Kakahiwa.
True. So, imaginein mo teleserye.
Yes, let's watch.
Hindi ako gano'ng nakikinig ng Liham, to be honest. But leaning towards ilaw ako sa ballad ng album na to. Like, nag-number 1 nga siya sa YouTube recap ko. So, hindi ako super familiar sa kanta. I mean, alam ko siya, pero yung kung sasabihin mong makakasabay ako sa concert, hindi ko siya masasabayan. Ako kasi ang type din ng music listener na buong gabi isa lang pinapatugtog ko, naka-loop.
Talagang gano'n. Paulit-ulit.
Yes. Even pag nasa biyahe ako, isang tugtog lang pinapakinggan ko.
Ako parang, before ganyan ako, and then, ito totoo po, yun ganun po yung, ganun ako sa isang clip, isang song. Kaya hindi ko na binabalikan. Pinauulit-ulit ko, loop ng loop ako for weeks. Tulad ng mga music ni
Lady Gaga.
Yumilak Samana. Mga Josa. Ilulup ko siya ng sobrang paulit-ulit for weeks. And then, I will not listen to them again. May ganun akong parehas mo pag bago ako matulog, paulit-ulit ako sa isang kantang gusto ko. Pero kasi now, I appreciate talaga the body of work ng isang album. I mean, sobrang bihira na daw yung mga artists na nag-release ng album. Laging one hit, one release, one single.
Tapos pag nag-hit, doon na lang susundan ng album.
Yes, ganon. So parang we appreciate yung mga pagtatag album, pagtatag EP. So So, may mga favorites talagang lalabas. Diba? May mga standout for you, for them, for some 18. Meron nga yung nangangarap pa rin na magka-music video ang Mana. Well, dream on! But, medyo curious ako how they will deliver this, given na 5 yung kumanta originally, but the two of them will have to compensate doon sa kawalan ng tatlo.
It's not a question paano maitatawid eh. This is a question of how they will take parts or how they'll create the melody na dalawa lang sila.
Yeah. There's a thing about, doing duet. May duet po kasi na parang very SOP style, na parang, pataasan. Diba? May ASAP na parang pabiritan. Pero may duet kasi na soulful, duet, na parang soulful na nagbe-blend well. Yung kay Pablo at Cristel, parang nagsasagutan sila.
This is the mothership. The only ship na mother. Ganon. A ship that mattered.
Yeah, you're in my house. Charot lang po. Pablo singing over the parts, no? The blender! True.
Galing. Justified yung kanta, kahit dalawa lang sila. Putas, is dalawa ng blend. Galing! Una si Pablo, parang kumbaga, I think we saw it coming na si Pablo yung medyo para magsi-second voice. Kasi kumbaga, we know how versatile Pablo's voice is. Pero I did not, kumbaga alam ko na Stel is a good singer, but I did not expect him to have
step back a little.
Hindi nga siya step back pero he has other tricks up his sleeve to make the second voice sound equally as good as when Pablo does it. Actually, nagulat ako. I mean, alam ko nga na magaling siyang singer, pero God, that was great. God. Yung mga sinasabi ni Pablo doon, kung baga as a writer nga, siguro ako lang to ha, kung ako yung kakanta nun hindi ko, kumbaga mahirap sa akin yung ginagawa ni Pablo. Usually sasabay ako sa main melody sa main lyric ng part na yun, pero Pablo was doing yung talagang ina-add niya yung value dun sa part na yun. Just how it should be done. So kudos Pablo.
Alam mo naman, 'di ba, minsan may mga singer dadamhin na lang yung tunog, then the backtrack will suffice.
True.
I mean, 'di ba? Parang it's and so far so good. Of course, I'm missing the vocals of the three, but so far that the two of them doing this single.
No wonder bias mo si Pablo, no?
Alam mo, it will be very difficult for me to edit this pa, no? I have work tomorrow.
Huwag na kasi edit.
Now you're seeing why we need a free.
True. Woo!
Wow! Okay. Una muna, I will say na this is probably I really cannot say that this is the best performance of Liham without the three of the SB19 members, no. I'm just saying that given the fact na dalawa lang silang kakanta nito is really really parang sobrang nakakabilib na. But in the latter part of the performance, doon ko na miss na this could have been, this sounds perfect with the five of them. Pero kudos sa kanilang dalawa because, my God, professionally done, tastefully done, very artistic yung blending na ginawa nila, may sagutan, may harmonization. So, somehow, if you have Pabstel and you say the mothership, this is so amazing.
Sis, parang meron kang dun sa mothership.
Yeah, pero eto lang yun parang, one thing is you could have used vocals, recorded vocals at the backtrack, because at the latter part talagang kakailanganin mo yung support ng tatlo
Yes.
So you could have, Pablo and Kuya Josue could have done something in the computer and remix, add some vocals nung tatlong nawala, so that pagdating, buong-buo pa din yung kantang Liham sung by SB19. But I think hindi niya ginawa. I think it's an artistic choice na talagang raw ang i-deliver nilang performance. That is what is known for SB19 naman. Diba? Ikaw, would you have prefer na in-engineer ni Kuya Josue or ni Pablo yung -1 with the backing vocals dun sa latter part, so that it could possibly feel as if lima silang kumakanta dun sa part na yun? Or you would have preferred the very raw na dalawa lang talaga sila supporting each other?
I have songs that I listen to over and over again, and I have performances na it's nice to have this kind of performance para lang, alam mo yun, it takes you, it gives you a break from the original. Which is, ako nga, probably, I'll start listening to Liham more after this. Not much more, pero siguro mas papakinggan ko siya. I mean, napakaganda ng ballad na to. Pero yun, it's nice to have this, yung pub-style version lang.
Yeah.
Na hindi, kumbaga sabi nga natin, it does not take anything from the original, but it's also nice to have or nice to see. Like, what is pub style when it's just the two of them singing Liham?
Oo. And given na yung, kasi tao dito, if you're an artist and you're going to accept gigs like this, you're going to accept bookings like this, hindi po, it is really subject to budget. Like for example, if you're an artist, you would prefer na 5 kayong kunin. Pero dahil
Baka availability din.
yeah. I mean,
Josh and
you
Ken-
need to be flexible because there's a lot of factors in organizing these kinds of events, 'di ba? Baka talagang Pabstel yung kinuha. And then pagdating mo doon, you will ask ano yung klase ng equipment. Are they going to use a live band? Are they going to use yung -1? And I think -1 to, no? Pero if you have budget, and like for example, you're going to Wish for a more budget, I would prefer yung merong mga, alam mo yun, may choir sa likod.
Sis, parang production level.
Oo, parang variety show na to sa UK. Hindi, pero if I'm going to Wish, kasi yung pag dun sa parang koro sa likod, it will have been very majestic with the orchestra and with the 1,000 choir behind them. I mean, I'm just saying that.
Ako, i-reserve ko yan sa concert.
Pero
for guesting like this, kumaga, medyo satisfied naman ako.
I'm really satisfied, no? I'm just, pointing out na parang there are events like this that they need to do it on their own, or possibly with the 2, with the 3. But I'm very happy that Stel, or even Pablo, or even I think that the 3 boys could still deliver a wonderful performance kahit hindi sila kumpleto. Some might, find it na parang, oh my God, I miss the 5 of them, or parang hindi kumpleto. Pero guys, they are already exhibiting good signs na parang as a group, as individual, they're very, very talented. They're equally entertaining, talented individual, and as a group, they are very majestic. So doon ako natutuwa talaga na parang kaya nyo na yan, di ba?
Yun lang, ako wala nang sasabihin din.
Yeah, pero ako gusto ko talaga mag-wish. Wow, wag-wish bus. I think na yung kasi sobrang iba talaga yung yung forte with the choir and with the orchestra. Tapos noon, di ba, parang yung mapa performance noon, parang naka-zoom lang or video lang yung mga choir in the background due to the pandemic then. There are songs of SB19 that could be very epic. Choir, like for example, SB19 with the Manila Philharmonic Orchestra. Mga ganun with the madrigal singers. Because sobrang quality ng songs nila na I think up par at sobrang pwedeng kantahin ng mga prestigious choir group. But, let's go back to the performance ng dalawa. Very good. Kung ako yung siguro yung audience doon, parang hindi na rin ako talaga maghahanap pa ng iba. I mean, well-delivered given that you are dalawa lang. Diba?
Kudos to Pabstel for this performance. And
so there you have it.
Shock din siya.
Na-shock din ako. Oh, go.
Anyway, thank you very much. Thank you very much for tuning in sa aming Liham Reaction by Pabstel. I'm your Sugar Spice and sometimes nice. We don't need the other one. My name is Blake.
My name is Matt. And walang in the name or Wala.
Iyan mo siya.
Goodbye. Thank you. If you like to support our channel, you may do so by sending us GCash, PayPal, and we do not earn from these kinds of reactions because of copyright. But thank you so much for helping us survive.
True.
Helping us create more contents like this. So, maraming salamat. Thank you. Bye.